super host at super fan. Rumarampa sa Century 2 na Superbods, 2025. Kasama si Park Seo-joon. Kung energy, confidence, at star power ang pag-uusapan. Aba, walang tatalo kay Ann Curtis sa Century 2 na Superbods 2025. Hindi lang siya basta dumalo, hindi lang siya nag-fan mode, rumampa, nag-host, at shine na shine pa sa tabi ni Park Seo-joon. Yes, mga bes, si Ann, na matagal ng proud fangirl ni PSJ, finally nakasama sa iisang stage ang K-drama OPA ng bayan. Pero ang nakakatuwa, kahit fangirl siya, hindi siya na starstruck na parang teenager lang. Kalmado, classy, and all smiles habang pinapaandar ang hosting skills na world class. Kitang-kita sa katawan niya, sa aura niya, na pinaghandaan niya talaga ang gabing to. Fit, glowing, confident, at syempre, pasok na pasok sa Superbod standard. Habang rumarampa siya on stage, halata mong pinagsama niya ang pagiging artista, athlete, at kabugera in one. At syempre, dahil certified PSJ fan siya, hindi niya pinalampas ang chance na magtanong-tanong. As in, tanong para sa ating lahat. Grabe, ang saya. Panoorin na ang isang fan ay naging co-host ng idol niya. Hindi lang ito feel-good moment, kundi feel-inspired moment para sa lahat ng fans out there. Parang sinasabi ni Ann, pwedeng mangarap at pwedeng magtagumpay habang fangirl ka pa rin.
Example of being fit for any role. Park Seo-joon, welcome to the Century 2 family. And you know what? The Philippines and the Filipinos adore you so much. Seo-joon, you've already won the hearts of everyone that's here tonight. And we couldn't be more thrilled to officially welcome you into the Century 2 as well.
You know, Century Tuna is such a versatile product. And you can make so many things with it, but I have to say, the kimchi and tuna combination is a classic. It works so well, and you make so many good, Korean cuisine too, but I'm sure you can make many other things as well.
Make some noise for the one and only Park Seo-joon! Let them feel the love. Scream your hearts out for the Century Tuna Global Superbod! Grabe! Isang simpleng hello lang, grabe yung hiyawan ng Araneta! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our new Century Tuna Global Superbot, Pak Seo-jun!
Sa totoo lang, si Ann Curtis ay laging on point sa lahat ng ginagawa niya. Mapa-show, commercial, pelikula, o ganitong event, lagi siyang present, prepared, at may puso. At dito sa Century Tuna Superbods 2025, pinatunayan niyang pwede kang maging fan at idol sa iisang katawan. She's not just a host. She's a movement. Isang paalala na kaya mong maging malakas, masaya, at empowered kahit may anak ka na, kahit fangirl ka pa rin. Ang galing din ng chemistry nila ni Park Seo-jun. Parang nagtagpo ang dalawang mundo, K-drama at Pinoy showbiz, sa iisang celebration ng wellness at self-love. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng fitspiration, emotional push, o simpleng kilig vibes, si Ann Curtis na yan. She's a mom, a fashionista, a superbod, a superfan. At lahat ng iyan, dala-dala niya with grace and fire. Ako si Trends Network at ito ang inyong Chika Minute Style Celeb Fit Update. Like, follow, at share mo na to para sa mga kwento ng health, happiness, at halakhak kasama ng inyong favorite stars. We love you.